How to generate videos with text prompts in Sora. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Sora.com. Make sure you are using the premium version of Sora and confirm you have video generation access. And now in order to generate a video, tap on the text box you see at the bottom and write a great prompt. A basic prompt works, but a cinematic one works better. So go ahead and include objects such as scene about where the prompt is happening. Next, add the subject about who or what is in it. Further, add motions such as what's moving or changing in your video. You can also add moods such as calm, dramatic, etc. Also add styles such as cinematic, realistic, animated, etc. Also make sure to change the resolution and duration from the toolbar below. For instance, if you add a simple prompt such as a woman in the city, then the prompt generated will not be as exciting as if you add the prompt that is a drone shot of a young woman walking through a sunlit city street, cars passing by, people talking in the background, with light rain hitting the pavement, and the aspect ratio is 16:9. Now, customize these settings such as add the video length, that is 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds depending on your subscription. Also change the aspect ratio if necessary, and also change the style such as cinematic, art, sci-fi, etc. Now the next step is to tap on the send button and Sora will begin generating the video, which usually takes around 30 to 90 seconds for generation. It may give you multiple versions to preview if you had selected the variations option. Once the video is generated, tap on the download button if you like the video that has been generated for you. And this is how you can generate a video with text prompts in Sora. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.